Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another special day and it's always my pleasure to come here and to share my ideas with you guys. So today I'm going to share with you how to produce air freshener at home. So that is the special production I have for you guys today, and I know you're going to enjoy this production today. So guys, my first ingredient is fragrance or perfume. It's my main tool. That's the next ingredient I'm going to use for producing this air freshener. It takes up on. Smell like gel. I'm using this so that you guys can see it very well, because I'm not doing large quantity of air freshener. I'm just doing a little bit to show you guys, how to make this today. So I've got my Texapon. Texapon looks like gel. Looks like gel, but it's not gel. It looks like gel. So that's another ingredient I'm going to use to make a freshener today. So that's methanol. Methanol. M-E-T-H-A-N-O-L. Methanol. So it's sort of alcohol that we use for production, and it's one of the ingredients I'm going to use today to make a freshener. I have my color. That's my color. So today I'm going to use pink, but it doesn't look like pink when it's not, mixed to the mixture. But the moment I finish mixing it to the mixture, it's going to turn pink. When it's dry, when it's not used, it's like purple. The color is like purple. So that's my color that I'm going to use today to make the air freshener. Whitener is another ingredient I'm going to use today to make the air freshener. So I also need 2 liters of water that I'm going to use for this production. I need a container like that, for the mixing, and I need my spatula there for stirring. That's what you also need. You also need this container here. The container is a choice, so it can be any shape of container of your choice, any size container of your choice. And that's the straw, the connection that goes in there. Right now I've not cut it, so before I use it, I'm gonna cut it to the size that I want. So that one there is, that's how the straw looks like, and then you just connect it to this one. And then this one is the side that you spray, that you spray when you're done. So when I'm done, I'm gonna just cut this and connect these two together, which I will show you as well. So those are the things that you need, and right now I'm just gonna show you how to produce the air freshener. So stay with me, relax, watch, and learn. Thank you. The fragrance is the first ingredient I'm gonna pour to the container. So that's my fragrance. I've added there. I've added my fragrance. The fragrance I've added to this container now is just 100 ml of perfume or fragrance. So I've added 100 ml of perfume or fragrance. You can see it there. It's 100 ml. And then I'm gonna add my menthol. The menthol is just, just add to taste. You don't have to add too much of it. Just like that is okay for the 100 ml of the fragrance. So that's my menthol I've added. My next ingredient is Texapon. Texapon. So I'm gonna add my Texapon right now. So that's my Texapon, and my Texapon is 50 grams. So I have 50 grams of Texapon, 100 ml of fragrance. So that's my Texapon I'm adding now. So adding up other ingredients. This is 100 ml of methanol. So this is 100 ml of methanol that I'm gonna add to my other ingredients. So there is 100 ml of methanol. I've added there. I will now mix it very well. So I've added my fragrance, which is perfume. I've added Texapon, I've added menthol, and I've added methanol. So I'm mixing it very well right now. So now I'm gonna add my 2 liters of water to the already well mixed ingredients. That's my 2 liters of water I've added, and you can see right now the color has changed to white. Color has changed to white, so you have to mix it very well. So now I'm gonna add my color. So as you're adding, you're checking. Just add and check. Just add and check. You can see the color is changing. So it's okay. I don't need to add all the color. So then I'm doing a pink air freshener. So you can see it's now pink. You can see after adding the color, the pink comes out. And then the last ingredient I'm going to add here is whitener. So you can see my whitener there. Just gonna add it straight to the mixture. And my whitener is 100 ml. I've added 100 ml of whitener together with other ingredients. Make sure you mix it very well. And then you pack it for use or for sale. So that's my air freshener today. Very simple. So that's my air freshener. It's ready for use. See, packing it now for use. And each time you fill your air freshener, don't fill it up to the top, because you also need space for your straw and the cover to go in. If it's too full, it's gonna pour out when you connect your straw and the cover to it. So that's it. I'm gonna connect the straw. Connected the straw, and then I will just cut it like that. It's just got a little bit. You can cut it before you even fill it up with the bottle, and then it's connected. So that's my air freshener. It's ready. So that's it. I'm done with my air freshener. I'm done. That's my air freshener. It's ready. Ready to use. Ready to use. Let's see. Smells good. Smells good. That's my air freshener. And it's ready to use. Just like that. Very simple. No stress. Just like that. In a few minutes, you've been able to produce your air freshener. So guys, with this air freshener, you can choose to make a bigger production, and if you want to start dealing with this as a business, you're free to do that. There is nothing more than what I've just shown to you. Nothing more than what I have just shown to you. And the fragrance you need, you can choose your own fragrance. You can use any fragrance of your choice. Even the color, you can choose any color of your choice. So all these things are just your own choice, So that's it. That's the way to make air freshener. Do not be afraid to try this at home. The chemicals are not harsh at all. Please subscribe to this channel. That is all I need from you so that this channel will continue to remain in YouTube. And bye for now.